dive into the squishy, slimy, and exciting world of muddy bugs and sea creatures. 2T. In this fun and educational adventure, toddlers will discover fascinating facts about insects that love dirt, like ants building tunnels and beetles rolling mud balls. Did you know some bugs use mud to build their homes? Grasshoppers can jump up to 20 times their body length thanks to their strong hind legs. Grasshoppers make sounds, called stridulation, by rubbing their hind legs against their wings to attract females. Grasshoppers look like small wingless adults and molt several times as they grow. Orcas are easily recognizable with their striking black and white coloration, which helps with camouflage when hunting. Orcas have complex brains and exhibit behaviors like teaching, learning, cooperation, and problem-solving. Orcas in marine parks have shown signs of stress and shortened lifespans. The Blackfish documentary brought widespread attention to this issue. Orcas are easily recognizable with their striking black and white coloration, which helps with camouflage when hunting. Rhino beetles spend most of their life, 1-2 years, as grubs, larvae, underground, feeding on decaying wood and plant matter. Rhinoceros beetles belong to the subfamily Dynastinae, with over 300 species, including the impressive Hercules beetle and Atlas beetle. Male rhino beetles have large, horn-like structures on their heads, resembling a rhinoceros. These are used for fighting other males, not defense from predators. Honeybees live in colonies with a complex social structure including a queen, worker bees, and drones. Honeybees perform a dance to communicate the location of flowers, water, or new nest sites. Honeybees are responsible for pollinating around 1/3 of the food we eat, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. The buzzing comes from the rapid beating of their wings about 200 times per second. Harlequin bug is a serious garden pest, especially to cabbage, kale, and mustard plants. It's basically the fashionista of the bug world, and also the most destructive. Harlequin bug doesn't run, it releases a stinky chemical to scare predators away. Harlequin comes from a colorful jester or clown from old European theater. Its eggs are black and white, like a warning sign saying, "Harlequin bug is a serious garden pest, especially to cabbage, kale, and mustard plants." It's basically the fashionista of the bug world. Crabs are arthropods, related to lobsters, shrimp, and even insects. They have hard exoskeletons, shells, made of chitin. Crabs have 5 pairs of legs, with the front pair modified into claws, chellae, used for defense and feeding. Crabs have complex behaviors, including problem-solving, communication, and using tools. Some decorate their shells for camouflage. Hammerhead sharks have a wide, flattened head called a cephalofoil, which looks like a hammer, hence the name. Hammerhead sharks have a wide, flattened head called a cephalofoil, which looks like a hammer, hence the name. Hammerhead species, like the scalloped and great hammerhead, are listed as endangered due to overfishing and finning. Hammerhead sharks have a wide, flattened head called a cephalofoil, which looks like a hammer, hence the name. Dolphins are warm-blooded mammals. They breathe air through a blowhole and nurse their young with milk. Dolphins have large, complex brains relative to their body size. They exhibit advanced problem-solving, self-awareness, and social behaviors. Dolphins let one hemisphere of their brain rest at a time, allowing them to keep swimming and watch for predators. Dolphins are warm-blooded mammals. They breathe air through a blowhole and nurse their young with milk. Red iguanas look like mini dinosaurs, with spiny crests running down their backs and long, powerful tails. Red iguanas may show more green or orange hues as they age, or during breeding season. Red iguanas are a color morph of the green iguana. Iguana. They aren't a separate species, just a naturally occurring or selectively bred color variation. Red iguanas look like mini dinosaurs, with spiny crests running down their backs and long, powerful tails. Sharks have skeletons made of cartilage, not bone. This makes them lighter and more flexible in the water. Sharks have special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini that let them sense electric fields, even the heartbeat of hidden prey. Sharks constantly lose and regrow teeth. Some species can produce up to 30,000 teeth in a lifetime. Sharks have skeletons made of cartilage, not bone. This makes them lighter and more flexible in the water. Sharks have special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini. Green iguanas have a parietal eye on top of their head. It can't see images, but detects light and movement to help them sense predators from above. Green iguanas primarily eat leaves, flowers, fruits, and other plant matter. In captivity, their diet must be carefully balanced. Green iguanas are not currently endangered, but habitat loss and overcollection could pose threats in the future. Green iguanas have a parietal eye on top of their head. It can't see images, but detects Snakes are reptiles. They belong to the order Squamata and are closely related to lizards. Snakes can consume prey much larger than their heads because their jaws are connected by very stretchy ligaments. Snakes live in forests, deserts, oceans, like sea snakes, and even urban areas. They eat rodents, birds, eggs, frogs, fish, and even other snakes. E.T., or that certain sea creatures love hiding in the muddy ocean floor. From wiggly worms to clacking crabs, this video is packed with cool creatures that thrive in messy, muddy places. Kids will love spotting these animals in action while learning their names, sounds, and fun behaviors.